Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we have the SHOKZ OpenFit Air. SHOKZ is quickly gaining a lot of traction in the earbud space, and it's for good reason. So I specifically wanted to pick up the OpenFit Air so we can unbox them and try them. Let's go ahead and get to it. Real quick, here's a look at the back. It says Open Air, true wireless earbuds, total comfort, perfect fit, natural sound, long battery life, quick charge, open ear listening experience. You see at the top right corner, looks like it has a 2-year warranty. This is the stone blue color. I am curious to test out the battery life on these as well. Okay, looks like they just slide out to the side. And there we go. Okay, fairly large case, but these are open fit earbuds with an ear hook, so it's pretty much to be expected. Okay, well, they do look very nice and they do seem very premium. Looks like for the rest of the contents of the box, we have a quick user guide pamphlet and an included Type A to USB-C port charger. And that's pretty much it. I am going to be testing these guys out over a period of the next couple of weeks. Let me know if you want to see a full review on it.